Okay, so we pulled the tank out of this Humvee. It had quite a bit of damage to it. So when you are dropping this tank, there is a vent. One goes to the body, and then the other one comes across and feeds right here. So it'll connect from the front, comes across to the back, and then from here it goes to the body. And so I pull these apart, clean them, and get rid of the screen. And if they're in good shape, I just wash them out with soap and then clean them up, or I just replace them. This is the upgraded fuel gauge, sending unit for the fuel gauge. This is just capped off. You just leave it that way. And I remove check valves in the system, and I'll just replace 3/8 fuel line and a quarter. And you can see this is what came off. This is what came off the car. So this car was kind of tore up a little bit, but you could see it's this line coming across. It has the check valves. So I just pull these check valves off, put new hoses, new clamps, and just get rid of it. In here, so this is the hose, the vent hose that comes from the body that you connect to the rear. And you could see that's where it connects on the front of the tank, and it goes to the lift pump up front. So all these hoses get replaced. So we're starting at the back and working our way forward. So to drop the tank, you need to remove the filler neck. It goes underneath. There's a hose. There's a hose under here that you connect to. Right over here. And the hose is what it looks like. So the filler neck connects to here, obviously, and it goes up. So you have to disconnect this first before you even remove the clamps below. So first, and then you're going to disconnect 2 vent lines, and there's a third small, it's like a quarter vent line that's over here too. But once you drop the neck, filler neck, then this tank can start coming down. So you can see here, filler neck is still to be connected back there. Still have to put that in. It's still loose. It's still loose. Gotta connect that. So that's the first thing, filler neck. Second thing is you have to remove this bracket. These 2 tubes, you can remove them or just twist them over to the side, because when this tank comes down, it's going to hit here. So this becomes a problem. Third thing is you got to remove the drive shaft. Drive shaft has to come out because it hits on top. So the drive shaft is coming out. Drive shaft's coming out. Once you have the drive shaft out, then you have to disconnect these lines, feed and return lines. There's 2 lines here. Remove those, cut them, remove them, and then you're going to remove clamp here, and you just wiggle the tank down. And once it drops, then you'll be able to get access to this vent here, this vent line. That's what connects to the top. And you can see if I can show you. Yep, there we go. So it's right in here. It's hard to see, but there's a vent line here. There's two. There's one on this side, one on that side. So this cuts across to the back, and this cuts across to the front. So the tank will come down to about here at the muffler side, and then you would just disconnect them and then continue dropping it. So the Humvee gas tank has this plug, so I always replace them. They get kind of brittle, and sometimes they get real soft. That they're just, the bacteria in the diesel starts eating at this rubber. So replace it so you don't have issues later on. And that's the part number from Hummer Parts Guide. So just pull the old one off, flush out, drain out your tank, put a new one in, and then put new diesel in it.